Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P20 Pro, and I'll show you how to check the battery health with Ampere app on this device. So you should go to the Play Store, and now in the search pool type just Ampere. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while the application is installing on your phone. Now just open here, I agree, tap to close, and here on the left down corner tap to OK. So now you can see that your battery health is good. You can see, yeah, that's good. So if you want, you can check another information like the temperature of your phone, the Android version, and more interesting information. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment, and subscribe our channel.